I'm nervous. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I thought we could do something a bit more fun, and that is some Scottish Gaelic words for Halloween, seeing as it's coming up. So the Scottish Gaelic word for Halloween is Ay-gal-och. 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 Or if you were to wish someone personally, I hope you have a happy Halloween. Ay-gal-och. Ay-gal-och. So some words that we might use around Halloween, we're going to say the word for ghost. Now ghost is Taibhs, Taibshe, Taibshe. And the word for monster would be Uilebheist, Uilebheist, Uilebheist. The word for pumpkin, Peapag, Peapag, Peh-pag. And the word for turnip, if you're Scottish like me, it would be Snèap, Snehp, Snehp. Word for witch, it's one of my favourite Scottish Gaelic words, Bana-bhuidseach, Bana-bhuidseach, Bana-bhuidseach. The word for spider, which on the other end of the spectrum, not my favourite, Davan-alley, Davan-alley, Davan-alley. The word for broom, Sgoo-ab, Sgoo-ab, Sgoo-ab. And the word for scary, Eagalach, Eagalach, Eagalach. And lastly, I think I'll do the word for skull, and that's Claigeann, Claigeann, Claigeann. Thank you for watching my video, and Ay-gal-och.